Hey there, and welcome back. So, I've been a little bit slack, so my apologies with filming, but essentially what we've missed and what I've done off camera is tape up a lot of the corners and edges. I've put some plastic down on my brand new epoxy floor and taped off around the edges as well. So there's a few big jobs we have installed for this episode. We have to cut out the holes for the 14 in total, or 13 10 amp and one 15 amp GPOs or power points. We have to dig a trench between the house and the shed in order to run the electrical cable through, and that's in preparation for the electrician coming out in a few days. And then finally we have to sand a lot of this plywood because it's a little bit rough and furry to the touch. So we have to sand that back, prep it, and then prime and paint. So it's going to be a lot more of waiting around watching paint dry, just like we did watching concrete dry. But after that, I can actually start moving in some of the tools. So I'm very, very excited about that. So I reckon there's no better time to start than now. So let's get cracking. So, one down, 13 to go. I don't think the electrician's going to be very happy with me. I've accidentally nicked one of the electrical cables. Not the end of the world. There's enough slack in a system that you can pull out a little bit, but it's not the best thing to do. So what I've actually done is something I probably should have done at the beginning, is actually put some tape around this head here, this cutting tool, enough so it's like a bit of a stop collar, so there's a bit of a lip. And when it goes into the hole, it actually stops just shy of the 15 millimeters that this plywood is. Definitely should have done this before, but live and learn, I suppose, so my bad. There. So I've got a quick little tip for you. So if you're trying to measure between two really wide posts that happen to be metal, just like these ones, these are just over 2 meters, and I'm not 2 meters tall, so I can't really span that wide. What you can actually do is put a couple of magnets on the underside of the measuring tape. They stick to it pretty easily, and you can go the entire length. There you go. can't believe it's finally done. Wow, finally completed. Amazing. So I'm staring at a big white room and I want to put some stuff in it. So once that very paint smell goes away and I stop floating, I plan to do a ton of other things. Now, unfortunately, I have to cut this video a little short because the electrician called me earlier and said the components haven't been delivered yet. So we're not quite ready to run all the cabling and put in all the power points, which is a shame because I was just really hoping to just get that bit done and then start designing some of the cabinetry around it. That's fine. It is what it is, I suppose. But next episode, I have a ton of little odd jobs to do. So curtains, TV, wood rack, start moving in some of the tools and make us actually look or start looking like a workshop we can use. So if you do like this content, please subscribe and like and all those good things. If you have any comments or suggestions, please do let me know. But in the meantime, take care of yourself and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.